Hello friend, thanks for subscribing. I feel gratitude that you appreciated my work. Thank you.
Hi, in this video we see one of the wonderful best face animation Android app I ever seen. This is really wonderful and awesome 3D animation app. The main functionality of this app is it's just simply add animation effects to a static JPG or PNG image. If that image contains a face, a human face. That means the main functionality of this app is just take a static photo with a human face and select a predefined template, and just that the animation is added to the face you have selected. Otherwise, you can create your own face animation effects by accessing the camera. So let's see it. I just installed this now. See. Just close this as of now. This has some Pro Tools features, that is pose tools. So here this tool is just a static, just take a static image and you can add the emotions here, like if you move anywhere within the image, then the expression changes like this, as we are seeing in the first image. And in the second image, we can see after taking a static image, just click on the emoji. So whatever the expression is there on the emoji, then that will be represented in your face or in your taken images. And the third one is you can add text to the created animation. Like there is it's not only applicable to human faces. Sometimes there is some problem that the application may not recognize the human face. In such case, you can manually adjust the positions of the eyes, nose, lips, ears, like that, so it can be recognized. And the same feature is applicable to other animals also. Like you can take any animal like cat, dog, lion, tiger, or anything. Just take the static pic, and after adjusting the points, here, then you will be able to add the selected animation effect to this. So to access all these features, we need to go for the pro version. As of now, I just want to show you the free features available. Let's see. So I am not registering. Just click on continue. Just take any predefined emotion effect. So this is the predefined emotion effect. So by clicking on here on create, I can add the same emotion to myself. Like just I am clicking here on create. Let me click. Yeah, click on mug me. You can instantly apply mugs to any photo. Yeah. Now click on continue. There are new ones to try every day. Tap some mugs now. Slide for more. Okay. So let me take one now. Now at the top you can see the camera icon. Just click on the camera icon, and here we have two features. We can directly access our camera, and we can access the camera roll. That is nothing but the gallery. So now click on camera roll. Now click allow. Click on gallery. Now see, we apply this effect step by step. Let me take Mona Lisa pic. See, the animation effect is added. So below whatever the template you select, the expression changes in your selected image. See. So once we go to the paid version, then we can access more here. After clicking there, we can access more here. Any other template. I am selecting this. Now click on Mug Me. So that means we can select a already created template and you can create your own. Now let's click on Mug Me. Click on camera. See, click OK. See, it is showing the expression of the previously selected template. So if we want to change this, then we can click on the below templates. And let me take another one from gallery. So I want to take this one. See, so this is really the wonderful feature. So using this feature, we can do a lot of things with this. Like this. Now once you are satisfied with the animation effect, then we can save it. Just click on save. So enter it is whether you want to save it private or public, it is up to you. So I want to save it as a private to me only. So Zini laughing. Now click save. Now click on video loop export as. You can export this in video format, that is MP4 format or GIF or text message or photo or avatar. It is up to you. Now I am selecting video loop. So you can save it anywhere. See, it is saved. Now if we open this, this appears like this. We try some other features too by taking, just take from the given predefined templates, you can select any template you want. Here at the bottom, this is featured, and at the bottom you can see the trending and top muggers and following my mugs. Here we can see our created mugs here. See, now let's click on top muggers. Now let's select one. So all these are created by this user. So let us select one. Select this one. Now click on MugMe. So click on photo, camera icon, click on camera roll, go to the gallery. On now let's select some different images. Let me select the cartoon one. If it works or not, no faces found, so it won't work. Let me take another one. In the paid version that one also works, but in free version we are not able to do this. So this is normal peak. So it seems the effect is added here. You can see it here. Now see, now let me take another one. Here we take the side angle image. Let's take another one, a statue. This is the statue, no faces found. So the face is not clear, that's why it is not working. Let's see another one. This one. See, the animation is added here too. So this is the process. Now click on save or share. Click on share, and we can export it in MP4 format. See, so by using this application we can do so many things, like you can take the static pics, and you can create stories, you can add some animation effects, and especially in YouTube videos you can do a lot of things with this software. The cost seems, the cost is, lifetime cost is some that is not big, I think. That is not yeah, watermark on Pro Tools, unlock or yeah. See, this is 2450 for lifetime purchase. So I'm damn sure you will never regret by taking the decision of purchasing this MugMe or Mug Life Face 3D animation software, Android app. So you can, so hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe, comment, share, so I can consider that you like my work. That encourages me to create more videos like this. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is really awesome.